Welcome to the Sembot channel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to smoothly start using the functionality of the Sembot solution by adding a project and establishing a connection to the Google Ads platform. In the Sembot account panel, click on the Create Project button. Fill out the short form, name the project, add a domain, and choose the project type. You have a choice of simple or standard project. Then select a language and click the Save Changes button. Go to the Feed tab. Complete the fields, name the product feed, add the URL of the product file, set the parsing time, click the Set Mapping button, and go to Mapping. The attributes shown on the left are those the system detected in the input file. The system detects the attributes that are in the first positions in the input file. Check that the positions in both columns match and click the Save New Input Feed button. Go to the Connections tab. We pull analytics data from Google Analytics 4 and Google Ads, meaning you can make a connection with either of these two channels. Log in to your Google account. After logging in, you will see the whole path related to selecting an account and allowing access to the Sembot application. Then select the account you want to connect to from the list. Click Connect. In the list of connections, a new connection will appear at the very bottom. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to Sembot's channel if you want to stay up to date on our marketing solutions and news from the world of technology, performance marketing, and AI. See you in the next episode.